Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a full face get ready with me on purple eyeshadow and bright pink lips. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please stick around. So first things first, I'm going in with my Australis primer and I'm just going to put it all over my face to really even out my complexion. As you can see, I rub it in everywhere. Well, you can't really see, but you know. Then I'm going in with my Maybelline eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown and I'm just going to fill in all the little gaps that need to be filled in. I mean, you could use it to make a fake mustache, but at the moment it's just for brows. Then I'm going to carve out my eyebrows with the Tarte Shape Tape. Ta-da! Look how cute I am. I'm magical. I'm going to be using the Morphe 35B, the James Charles Morphe Palette, and lucky last, I'm going to be using Norvina. Woohoo! Using the colour Fuchsia, I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm just going all over my eyebrow, under it. On the James palette, I'm using the colour Single, like his life. That's so mean, but you know, you get me. To really deepen up the outer corner, I'm using the colour Escape. It's purple, very dark purple too, but it's pretty. Blendy, 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 blendy. Me being weird, we're going to create a cut crease with the Tarte Shape Tape and we're just going to put it all over both lids and it's going to make everything look prettier. And then I'm using that purpley sparkly shade, you know, whatever that says. Going to throw some pretty sparkles on the eyelid too and just make it look beautiful. Oh, Jesus Christ, mascara, bad Gal Bang. It's going so fast. We're going to put that on our eyes. Oh, I stuffed up. It's under my eye. Now we're going in with lashes. They're from Ruby May. They're so pretty. For foundation, I'm using the Born This Way one. I love this foundation. I forgot I had it. And as you can see, my beautiful double chin shows you the color difference. Hence the really uncomfortable look in my face because I didn't realize how dark it was and how much my tan has already faded. So, yay. Let's blend it in with a beauty blender. Hopefully it'll fix it. Yay! What do you know? Tarte Shape Tape again to really brighten up those yellow-orange areas that I just put on my face. Again, squish it with a squishy sponge and we're going to blend it all in and we're going to not look like an idiot and we're going to actually make it look beautiful. See? It's been setting my under eyes with the BYS translucent powder. I should have used a sponge, but here we are. Setting the rest of my face with the Australis pressed powder because I love it. And just again putting the colour Single under my eyeballs to make it look a little bit more smoked and just beautiful, you know? Taking my butter bronzer from Physicians Formula, just putting it all around my face to really make it look bronzed. Then I'm going to contour my face with the Zoeva Contour Palette and just make it look like I have jawbones. Everyone told me to try this MAC thing, so I put it all over my chest. Setting spray is models prefer, I think. Pretty. Then I'm using the mini NARS highlighter to highlight. It's a champagne colour. It's really cute and pretty. Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. As you can see by my facial expressions, I never use bright pink lipstick, so I am terrified to see how it turns out. And yeah, it was quite fun, but that's okay. We're always up for trying new things on this channel. So yeah. Okay everybody, that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It is something different. I never play with purple eyeshadows, but I think it turned out alright. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!